came in at night and it was dripping from this box down onto our automatic transfer switch. The water got inside, it's not rated for water, and fried the board. And now because it has water damage and they know water's got inside of it, we have to replace the whole thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick disclosure before we get into this. This video was filmed while I was working for my old company, AWSC. They're one of the big dogs in Vancouver, a great company, and I spent many years working there. If you reach out to them, tell them Andrew from Alchemic Power sent you. Links in the comments down below. But if you're looking for a smaller, growing company instead, feel free to reach out to Alchemic Power at www.alchemicpower.com. I hope you guys enjoy the video.